Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 6 years. Friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos. Friends, in this video, I would like to teach you symmetry. In this video, symmetry, we are going to learn what is a symmetry, what is line symmetry, line of symmetry, vertical axis of symmetry, horizontal axis of symmetry, multiple lines of symmetry, paper cutting using symmetry, how to draw a symmetric figures. Let us learn one by one. First, what is a symmetry? The figure which can be divided into identical halves is called symmetry. Once again, the figure which can be divided into identical halves is called symmetry. Let us observe the cover of scrapbook. This is a cover of scrapbook. If we divided from here, these two halves are identical equal. Let us check this. If we fold it like this, all the edges of this cover will be coincide exactly. So that's why this is a symmetric figure or symmetric thing. Next, line symmetry. What is a line symmetry? If the figure is folded along a line, each part coincides with the other part exactly is called line symmetry. Let us observe once again this cover of scrapbook. We are folding from this along the line. Each part is coincides with the other parts exactly. So this is the example for line symmetry. This is a line in this symmetry figure. Third one, the line of symmetry. What is a line of symmetry? The line which divides a figure into two identical parts is called the line of symmetry. Let us observe in this symmetry. This is the line of symmetry. One more example. This is a square shaped paper. If we fold it like this, this is horizontal line of symmetry. If we fold it like this, this is vertical line of symmetry. If we fold it like this, in this case also, it all parts coincide exactly. So it is diagonal line of symmetry. So let us learn more about vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry. First, vertical line of symmetry. What is a vertical line of symmetry? The line that divides from top to bottom is called a vertical line of symmetry. Let us observe in this figure, in this letter. So this is a letter A. In this, from top to bottom, dividing from top to bottom. So this is called a vertical line of symmetry. The letters H, A, H, I, M, O, T, V, W, X, Y have vertical line of symmetry. Let us check once. So understood. Next, horizontal line of symmetry. What is a horizontal line of symmetry? The line which divides from left to right is called horizontal line of symmetry. Let us observe in this figure. If we divide it like this dotted line divided this letter identically from left to right. So this is called a horizontal line of symmetry. The letters B, C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X have horizontal line of symmetry. Let us check once. From left to right. Here we have a note. The letters F, G, J, N, P, Q, R, S, Z have no line of symmetry. Multiple lines of symmetry. To understand this multiple lines of symmetry, we are taking a square of paper and folding it first horizontally, then folding half of this paper like horizontally. Now opening this, unfolding, then folding diagonally, and again folding half. If we unfold it, we will get these many line of symmetries. One, this is one, diagonal, vertical, diagonal line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square has a 4 line of symmetry. So we understood so far a figure may have no line of symmetry, only one line of symmetry, or two lines of symmetry or more, means multiple lines of symmetry. Here we have some more examples to understand number of lines of symmetry. First, a scalene triangle. No two sides are equal in scalene triangle. So it has no lines of symmetry. Second one, an isosceles triangle. Two sides of a triangle are equal. For this, we have one line of symmetry. These dotted lines showing line of symmetry. So one line of symmetry. An isosceles triangle have one line of symmetry. Next, rectangle. A rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Next, an equilateral triangle. All sides equal in a equilateral triangle. It has 1, 2, 3. An equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. Circle. So we understood circle. A circle has countless number of line symmetry, means infinite number of line symmetry. Countless. Or infinite. Paper cutting using symmetry. Using this symmetry, we can make beautiful designs or structures. Let us see an activity. This is a square of paper. If we fold it like this, again like this, now I am cutting this. Now I am unfolding. We got a design. This is one more square shape paper. This is one more design. How to draw a symmetric figures? Now let us draw. Here is given like this. Now we have to draw like this. This is a symmetric figure, and also we can draw this is not a symmetric. This is a symmetric. Let us draw one more figure. Here given one line, here given two lines, here three, 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. And fifth step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a symmetry figure. If we fold it like this, it will coincide each and every part. And also like this, and also like this, and also like this, and also like this. Friends, I think you understood what we learnt so far in this video, symmetry. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear your doubt. Friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe to get my latest updates, and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.